Hey everyone, welcome back to the Leadfoot Garage. My name's Evan, and I did a boo-boo. I had recorded a video of me cleaning these three parts right here for the 454. Filmed an intro, did a little bit of filming on each piece, and then I went to a car show and did some more filming. And when I downloaded everything onto my computer, somehow I deleted the intro and cleaning of one of the heads. So I'm reshooting a quick intro, and what we will do is we'll just pick up on cleaning of the second head and the intake manifold, and then we'll just go from there. But I at least wanted to get an intro in for you guys just to let you know what was happening. And then at least you'd have an understanding of what was going on. And yeah, so a little bit of a boo-boo, nothing we can't fix. So right now we're going to cut to the cleaning of the second head, and then after that I think it jumps to the intake manifold. And then my closing comments. So, cue the intro. We're on to the second one now. And these aren't that bad. I don't even know if I really need to, use something like this degreaser on it, because they've been sitting for a few years. So most of this is really just dust that I'm trying to get off. But want them at least as clean as I can get them. Want them, want the engine bay to look good. I feel like I'm brushing my teeth. Second one done. The intake manifold, this thing is pretty gunky. Can't tell, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I try to do a little bit of research, and there's just not much out there that I've found, at least on YouTube anyways. That's my main go-to. And I think we got a ways before any of this stuff goes in, so any kind of tips or advice you guys can give, constructive criticism. Never afraid to listen to people that have done this before. So. All right, so there we have it. They look a little bit better. I was really hoping that a lot of this stuff would come off, but as long as it works, she ain't no beauty queen. She's got some chips in the paint, and I'm more concerned with it being a driver than a show queen. So as long as it works, I'm good. Again, guys, this stuff's not going on for a couple more weeks at least. I was hoping to make a big show and cruise for all C10 trucks. Don't think that's quite going to happen. Who knows? We may luck out. But again, any kind of tips, advice, encouragement you guys can offer, I would really appreciate it as we move through these steps. Because, if you've watched me on my Bad Bug channel, you'll know that I have talked about not hanging out in the shop as much with my dad as I should have when I was a kid and a teenager. So, any kind of advice that you can give, I'd appreciate it. There's the Beast right back there, the 454, going in the Suburban. So there she be. Man, love that thing. Anyways, that's it for this episode. Part 2 is coming up where we get to pull the intake and heads off of that thing, and then put the new aluminum stuff back on. And then episode 3 hopefully we can do a pull and then put in as maybe 2 episodes. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. Hopefully it'll all go well. Got to get some intake manifold gaskets and head gaskets. So that's the next step before we get to pulling that stuff off. Anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking on that thumbnail, watching this video again. Any tips, encouragement you can give me, I'd really appreciate. We'll see you next time, everybody.